Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use tar command for compression and extraction on Linux. So first of all we have to open terminal, so I will go into show apps and press on terminal. And right there I prepared some files and a folder, and I will show you some examples how to use tar command. We have to start with typing in tar, and tar without any option basically will not work, so we have to add options. First option will be -c. C stands for create the archive. Again, right now, we have to type another option. It is V. V is not necessary, but it will be useful in this video because it shows the file being processed basically, and it basically allows us to see what is happening. But if you are on the advanced level, you don't have to use it. And the last option will be F, that allows us to specify the archive file name. And how do we do it? Right now we have to specify that name because we use the F option. So for example, files, maybe it will be okay, .tar. And right now we have to type in the files that we want to compress. So for example, file.txt, file2.txt. And right now we have to press enter. And as you can see, when I will list that, we have the files.tar right there. And of course we can use the tar command to create a gzip archive. How do we do it? We basically do it by the same way, so tar -c, but we have to add another option, z. In the Z enables for basically the gzip compression. We can add the other two, and right now we have to type in, for example, files.tar and .gz, and again file.txt, and for example maybe right now file3.txt. It works the same. As you can see, it is working. We can of course compress the folder. I prepared the folder right there, folder 1. I can list that. So inside this folder I have two files, and again I can compress that basically almost the same, right, like in this case. So -czvf folder.tar and folder 1. We'll press enter, and as you can see, we compressed the folder and all the files that were inside. And right now, how to extract this archive? So maybe I will remove this, maybe I will remove. As you can see, we have the folder.tar because I didn't show you that. I will remove these files because it will be easier to show that our extraction is working. So I will remove that. And right now we can use the T option in order to show what's inside without extracting. So I will use the T option at the beginning, so tar -t, again this, and for example files.tar. As you can see, we have two files, file.txt and file2.txt, and right now we will extract it. So as you can see, we have no files because I removed them. And when we will extract this, basically file.txt and file2.txt should appear right there. So to extract the archive, we are using the X option, because here we used C because of create. Here we are using X because of extract. And right now X, and again we can use this options, and we will use the files.tar. I will press enter, and as you can see, two files appeared right there. And how do we, this folder.tar, you can basically extract the same using the same command. And how do we extract the gzip archive? Almost the same, but we have, again, we can show what's inside. So -t, z, I think it should work, but maybe this is not necessary. It is necessary, but if you can see, we have file.txt, so that will not appear, and we have don't have file3.txt, so it will appear after the extraction. So we can now extract it. So tar -x, and again c, and again vf, and files.tar.gz. We'll press enter, and as you can see, our file3.txt is right there. So everything is working. And that's basically how you can use tar command to extract and compress files on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.